Welcome back to Garage Matters. Today we're gonna do a little fishing on Garage Outdoors. We've got the bait caster, the chest mount, so let's get fishing. So what I'm using right here is my little bait caster reel. I've got this swim bait on. I usually use this for saltwater, but we'll see if we can catch some bass on this and whatever's in this lake. Toss it out and see what happens. What we're doing now is we're just gonna work this bank, see what happens. If they're not biting here, we'll move over somewhere else and just keep trying. Looks like there's some fish busting bait over here. We'll get a line real quick in here. See if we can get some action. Let's try not to get skunked today. Let's take a look at the tackle box. Nothing special in here. Some fluorocarbon, scissors, swim baits, deep and diving lures, little bucktail and chatterbait. I'm gonna switch to this one. Hopefully we can get this lure a little deeper. Maybe the fish are suspended down there. We'll give it one more shot. Hopefully don't get skunked. Alright, let's try not to get skunked. I'm gonna try this bigger one. Look at the size of that. Hopefully the bigger bait will get the attention of the bigger bass in there. Let's see if we can catch ourselves a bass, not get skunked. I'm gonna try this bank real quick and probably call it a day. We'll see if any fish are hiding along this bank, waiting to ambush any little prey. Or who knows, maybe we'll get skunked today. Maybe there's no bass in here. Maybe it's not the right time of day. Maybe it's the wrong spot. I'm just gonna fan cast this bank. Gonna do it this week for Garage Outdoors on Garage Matters. Wasn't trying to get skunked, but it looks like I totally got skunked. Hopefully next time I can pull some fish out for you guys, so it'll be a little more exciting to watch. But this Texas fishing, I'm not used to it yet. Let's try and pull some bass out to see how big this Texas size bass is compared to the Florida bass. But it didn't happen this time. Maybe it'll happen next time. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button and tune in next time on Garage Matters for Garage Outdoors. And remember, keep those lines tight.